Hey Glammies, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a hot minute since I posted a video because about 10 weeks ago I had my son Crew, and I've just been adjusting to new mom life and just kind of getting into the groove of things. And a part of getting into the groove of things is I have mastered my own 10-minute mom makeup routine. I use my one go-to bag for my makeup. And so I'm actually going to time myself so that you guys can all see that this look will take you 10 or less minutes. So if you want to go ahead and see the mommy makeup look that I have created for myself, then please keep watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment down below any videos that you'd like to see, as well as make sure that you like my video as well. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Okay, Glammies, so to start with, I am going to show you guys that I'm going to be setting a timer for 10 minutes. So first off, going to just clip my hair back because I cannot do my hair within my face. I'm going to go ahead and start my timer for 10 minutes. All my stuffs, one bag. First thing, I go in pore filler because the pores in my T-zone have gotten to be a little bit on the larger side for me. I mean, they're not massive, but I haven't had pores like this basically ever. Okay. We're done with that. Now, I don't go in foundation. I'm going to go with the Urban Decay Complexion Primer. I've had this for forever. It's white, but when it's rubbed into the skin, it will adjust basically to my skin tone. So I take about a little bit larger than a pea-size amount, and I just dot it all over my face. And then I just rub it in with my fingers. Also, this look, I use literally either my beauty blender on my fingers or a angled fluffier brush on my fingers. Today I'm going to use a brush and my fingers, and I just make sure that I get it all over, even in the creases on my nose where I get redness. As females, or males, you might get redness in your nose, especially since I was pregnant. I still have some redness. And I'm going to go in. I'm just going to take a brush. I'm just going to buff it. I'm not even using a mirror yet. Basically buffing it in to make sure that all the white is gone and it's now evened out my skin tone. So you notice the redness in my nose is just barely peeking through. You can still see my freckles. Now I'm going to go in with, some days I either go with cream blush or I go in with colored blush. I'm going to go with the colored blush, and I'm just going to take my same brush. I'm just going to go like this. Some of you might be like, oh, where's your concealer? I do concealer next to clean up if I'm a little messy. And I'm going to use my mirror. And I'm also going to use this bronze basically as like a bronzer as well. I'm using it's the Tarte in the shade Sensual. I love their Amazonian clay blushes. They seriously last for... They really do have that hold. So I basically just using that to bring some warmth back to my face. Done. Now, next order of business. I like to use a more brightening concealer, so I'm going to go with my Urban Decay Naked Skin in the shade Light Warm, because as you can tell, I have a little bit of dark circles because I wake up with my baby. So I'm just going to lightly dot that under my eye. And right here. Here's what I'm going to use my fingers. I'm just going to tap it in. I typically use my middle finger to tap this in, but I'm not going to do that so you guys don't think I'm flipping you off. I'm just going to... I like to use my finger because it's going to warm up the product, and so it's going to help distribute the product as well as just make it look more natural. And I really just only conceal on my nose where I have that redness. And then I'm going to go up into my brows. I currently have 6 minutes and 27 seconds left. Now, in my eye, for me, what's most important is getting it right in that inner corner. You guys might hear my mom. She's in with my baby, hanging out. She's over. And next, I like this concealer because it doesn't dry very fast, and it's also really easy to manipulate with my finger. I also take it up onto my eyelid, up like so. And if you notice, I'm not bringing it down into where I put that blush. I'm really just trying to focus it, and I might bring it along the sides of my nose. Done. All right, next, I am going to set my concealer because my concealer does crease on me. And so what I'm going to use is, I'm gonna go with the Laura Mercier. This is the Secret Brightening Powder in the shade 1. And I'm literally going to use the exact same brush I used for my blush. I'm going to brush it off of my hand like so. And I'm literally just going to barely tap. And I'm just going to do a nice, I did not dip back in, I'm basically setting this entire area. Sweet, done. Now, just to make sure I haven't, and then what I'll do is I'll go back in with my blush and I'll just reapply a little bit in case that brightening powder got down into my blush area. Awesome. Now, if you really want it to be super quick, you can skip brows, just use a clear brow gel and gel them up. I am going to use a tinted brow gel for today. I also like to use my e.l.f. the Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in the shade Natural. I've used, Natural Brown, but I don't feel like doing my brows today, so I'm just gonna gel my eyebrows up because I have been growing them out. I mean, let's be real, my brows are super thin. But I'm just going to take and just focus the majority of the product on the tail of my brow and make sure my brows are brushed in an upward fashion. Do the same to the other side. I have not gotten my eyebrows like threaded or done in wax, threaded, tweezed in a very long time because I've been wanting to grow them out. My mom's in the back trying to make jokes. Just like that. Basically trying to, and now sometimes I always like my concealer, my like forehead. Oh, I'm sorry guys, like flipping off, my bad. Concealer. All right, I have 3 minutes and 7 seconds left. So I feel just like with how my face looks right now, I feel much more put together. I feel like my redness is covered. My dark circles are, greatly concealed. So what you can do now is you can either just go ahead and curl your lashes and put on some, chapstick and call it a day. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm actually gonna curl my lashes. I'm obviously gonna curl my lashes and I'm going to apply a very, very thin coat of mascara just to help my eyes, help me look more awake. So I'm taking my brand new Shiseido eyelash curler. I love this thing. I don't know why I didn't buy one of these sooner. And I'm literally going to curl my lashes like no one's ever curled lashes before. And I'm going to just move up my lash and see this eye looks much more awake compared to this eye. So I'm going to go and do the same on my left hand, my left eye. So, with being a new mom, I've had to really adjust how I do things, and, time is always of the essence. I always do my makeup, when my son is sleeping, or if he's just chilling, I will put him next to me and I'll quickly do my makeup, because I never want to take time away from him. I'm going to go back in and curl my lashes once again. All right, now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Lash Sensational. I like this mascara. I've been using it for a couple weeks now. The one thing I don't really care for is it does have a plastic applicator. I prefer the bristled applicators, but it gets the job done. It helps make my lashes look really nice. So I'm just gonna go ahead, and I'm not gonna go right at the root. I'm actually just gonna do more towards the top so my lashes keep that curl. I'm just doing a very I'm like barely, I'm touching my lashes, very, very light hand. Make sure I fan them out in the corners. Much more awake looking. You can see the definition of my lashes. Also, if you want to help make this look very natural, don't apply mascara towards the bottom, or if you want, you can use a brown mascara on the bottom. I'm actually just gonna go in very lightly with my black mascara. I currently have 30 seconds left in my makeup look. Same thing to this side. Oh, 20 seconds. There we go. Now for lips, I'm seriously just gonna go with, I've been using the Bare Minerals matte lipstick in the shade Boss. I'm not gonna line my lips. So I don't have to do my lips. I typically just leave it at this. So yeah. This is my easy go-to mom makeup look. So like I said, if you guys like this video and you want to see what I have in store for the fall, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye, Glammies.